This is me in 2017. I was in a wheelchair while I was finishing my PhD. I injured my lower back while I was playing basketball, and I could barely sit and stand. And this is me. I run again, I play basketball, and I have no pain. Same person, same spine, with two herniated discs. I spent 3 years doing the right exercises in the right order with the right approach, and now I can run, play basketball and do activity without any limitation. So I know exactly what worked and why, and that's exactly what I do right now in Berlin. So in this video I'm gonna tell you what this channel is becoming and why it's important for you if you have lower back pain and is stopping you to do the things that you want to do in your life. By the way, if you don't know me, my name is Kamran. I'm a sports scientist doctor based in Berlin. So let's back to 2017. I was playing basketball with some friends and someone pushed me while I was rebounding a ball, and then I felt something in my back. After that, I couldn't walk properly and I had lots of pain in my back. I did a couple of MRIs and talked with a lot of specialists, and they told me I have two herniated discs and stenosis, which putting pressure in my nerve. I felt a lot of nerve pain in my left leg as well. After that point in my life, I couldn't work properly. I couldn't sit for a dinner with the family. Everything was hard and painful. I started to do a lot of physiotherapy, massages and rest, and that was good in some point. But the minute I started doing an activity like a long walk or a small jogging, I started having flare-ups and pain, and I couldn't continue, and I had to rest for a couple of more weeks. But one day it hit me. I spent years helping people to get rid of their pain and be functional, and I give them a lot of advice, but I don't listen to myself. I'm not patient. I'm not doing the things that I have to do, and I really try to protect my body in a weird way. So I stopped that and I planned what I need to do in 2-3 years. So after 3 years of specific progressive training, I'm back. I can do whatever I want to do. I run again, I jog again, I play basketball, I play paddle, and everything is fine. I don't have any limitation. Don't get me wrong, I still have that two herniated disc and stenosis, but what it changes is the way I approach that, the way I build my muscle and my foundation, and the way that I can do exercises and workout. I build my muscle, I build my strength, I build my mobility, and now I can do the things that I want to do. The herniated disc and the stenosis is still there, but my body way more stronger, and I can do a lot of different activities now. So let's talk about why this channel is changing. This channel started with wearables like Whoop and Apple Watch because I really like the data and I really like the progression, and having a data from the wearable can help me a lot to understand what is going on in my body. But I wanted to do something more specific. I know a lot of people that they have lower back pain, they go to physio, they rest, and they're getting better. But the minute that they want to do an activity with their families, they want to go for a long walk or for a hiking, they are going to be down for 2 weeks with the pain. They stuck somewhere between the treatment and the performance. They get the treatment, the pain is gone, but they cannot get the performance they need to do the activity that they want or they love to do it with their family. So starting now, this channel is going to focus more on the lower back and performance, and also how wearable can help us to perform better when we have lower back problems. Because a couple of months ago, again, I had a flare-up when I was playing paddle, and Apple Watch and Whoop helped me a lot through this process to get better and recover faster. So let's talk about what is coming and who is this channel for. So if you are someone who has a back problem and you still have some limitation and discomfort and you want to perform better and do some activities, this channel is for you. So in this channel, I'm going to talk all about the lower back, the problem that you might have, how you can fix it, what are the exercises that you can do, and a lot of more useful information. So make sure you click the subscribe button so you're not going to miss any video, and also try to turn on the notification because every week we are going to have a video related to the lower back, and also we are going to integrate some Whoop and Apple Watch data to the lower back process, which is really helpful, and it helps you to perform better because you will see some data and the progression on your devices as well. And if you don't have any of these devices, don't worry, I'm going to show you a way to measure your process and progress. And if you have back pain and you don't know what to do, you can DM me on Instagram. I will read all the messages and I will reply to you as fast as possible. So new videos coming every week. Subscribe to see that, and I will catch you in the next one.